Welcome to all the viewers to the present edition of the channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? Only three items. Subject as usual. Next one is had. Had for all the subjects. Last one, third form of verb, and we call it as past participle. So only three items, no change. For all the subjects, whether I or he, we have to use had only. Let us go for the examples. India had won the Cricket World Cup twice. He had reached the finishing point. She had come here long ago. They had left the party last year. So let us see here. We see India subject had won. The same thing for all other three sentences also. Subject had past participle. Subject had past participle. Because come, came, come. They had left. So that is why all these four sentences are past perfect tense. Examples of past perfect tense. Nothing but application of the points given on the top of the paragraph. So another point is, when two actions are in the past, the first action will be written in past perfect tense and the second action in simple past tense. So let us see here two actions. Only two examples I am going to give. The train had left. The train had left before they reached the station. Station is nothing but railway station. See here two actions. What are the two actions? Leaving. Other one is reaching. So leaving first and reaching second. So that is why this is written in past perfect tense. The train had left before they reached the station. Next one. The program had started before the local MLA arrived. Here also two actions. Starting of the program and arrival of the local MLA. So since it is a first action, it is a starting of the program, it is written in past perfect tense. So just to remember the point, the first action will be written always in past perfect tense. So what are the indicators? Indicators of this tense? Had, been, plus past participle. Uniform for all the subjects. So I like to sum up. What is past perfect tense? Past perfect tense is used to refer to the first action when there are two actions in the past, and had, been and past participle, common for all the subjects. And past perfect tense is also used to indicate the actions which happened long ago. Dear viewers, let us do this exercise to check the understanding of our knowledge of the tense past perfect tense. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. He had dash bracket meet him earlier. So what is the correct form suitable at the blank? So already we know meet. Third form of verb is met. So correct answer is met. So third item is past participle. Second sentence, Raju dash bracket play many test matches. So correct answer is, here you have to write two items. So had, because we are dealing with past perfect tense. Raju had played. Raju had played is the correct answer. Let us go for the third one. He dash overtake many vehicles. So overtake, third form is overtaken. So correct answer is had overtaken. Let us go to the fourth one. You dash visit Tokyo with your father. So here also two items. So had is uniform for all the subjects. We have to use had. You had visited, third form of verb. You had visited Tokyo. So these are all the four examples, just to check your understanding. So which are the indicators? So last question. Which are the indicators of this tense? So had, uniform for all, had. Next one is third form of verb or past participle. Please check the description box for the notes of this video. Thank you.